Welcome back to another video wherever in the Caribbean or in the diaspora you're watching from. In today's video, I want to talk about Beenie Man. So yesterday, Beenie Man came out and issued an apology to the people of Trinidad and Tobago after some remarks that Beenie Man made about Trinidad and Tobago, one of their most famous street food doubles. And Marshall Montano doubled down on Beenie Man. Seemed like Marshall was trolling around. And some people seem to forgive Beenie Man for what he said. So this and more is what we want to talk about today. So let's talk about it. Yes, so yesterday, Beenie Man came out and issued an apology to the people of Trinidad and Tobago after some comments that he made on the popular YouTube show Drink Champs. So Beenie Man have been dragged all over the internet for the past few days, and finally Beenie Man decided to come out and to issue an apology. So this is the apology. Take a listen to what Beenie Man had to say and let me know how you feel about this apology. Let's take a look.
Trinidad. I just wanted to know, say, all of the people them from Trinidad who say that I disrespect Trinidad. I never disrespect Trinidad. It's like you ask just that for me pork. Alright? I try to eat the doubles. And then I eat the doubles that I did. That seriously I did. All of the doubles people them can tell us say I did. But when we go some boom and throw the thing for the dog them don't eat it. It's not a disrespect to Trinidad, none at all whatsoever. None at all whatsoever. I am greatly apologizing to all Trinidadians that live around the world that eat doubles. When we say it was a joke, but when only say it in a so jokeful. So I just want to know, say, I nah disrespect no Trinidadian, none at all, never. I will never ever do that. That Trinidad is my country. When we go, even when I have nothing to do, I just buy a ticket and go to Trinidad. Yeah, all carnival me there at Trinidad. Bravo, one of my best friends in the world. See it. So you have to know these things. Where a man talks, say, funny man is not really mean, say, him decide for hurt people. See it. All opinion, you have to keep it to yourself. So I should have keep my opinion to myself. You should even put it on TV. I apologize. I really sincerely sorry about that if I hurt anybody. See it? I'm not here to offend my fans. I'm not here to offend anybody. I'm not here to offend the people that support the music. I'm not here to offend the people that support Trinidad. I am sorry. Very sorry. Very. One more very funny. Very sorry. I will never hear that again from me. I will never do that again. It will never happen again. And nothing like that will never come from my mouth but about doubles. Because them sell doubles and triples. And all the people them sell doubles from the corner and sell triples from the corner. We now mash up on the business. It's just...
Okay, so that was Beenie Man apology. So if you're watching from Trinidad and Tobago or anywhere in the diaspora, sound off in the comment section and let me know if that apology, if you're satisfied with that apology from Beenie Man. And if you're one of those people who thought that Beenie Man did not need to give an apology because that was his own opinion, sound off in the comment section also. So in the next clip, Marshall Montano seemed to be like doubling down, get it? Doubling down on Beenie Man, what Beenie Man said with his own. It seemed like Marshall Montano is trolling Beenie Man. So that clip is coming up next. And based on what I'm seeing online, some people seem to be forgiving of Beenie Man, of what Beenie Man said. So let's take a look at this video at Marshall Montano pretty much trolling Beenie Man, making, light of a situation. Let's take a look.
Who having this? What's on fresh of the look. Show, where we go? Hey. Onion, garlic.
Onion and garlic.
We eat doubles every week and every day. We love a doubles party. Hey, ah! Hey!
So Beenie Man has come out and apologized for the recent doubles controversy, right? He said he didn't disrespect Trinidad, but Beenie, I just want to let you know, you have a big voice out there. You're a big name, you're an icon. And when you say something, a lot of people could take it as law. I shouldn't have to tell you that. You're a Caribbean man, and you know Caribbean people don't play with their food, especially a cultural street food like doubles. Really and truly, it was a wild statement to make that dog don't eat doubles. Because let's be real, when Miss Netta came to Jamaica and disrespect all the dishes, the whole Caribbean jump on that bashing train. Because Caribbean people do play with the food. Let's be real. So personally for me, I accept your apology. We're all human beings and we all make mistakes. But I don't know if this is a saying in Jamaica, but this is a saying in Trinidad. If you have nothing good to say, just be quiet. And Jamaica, I love all you. Thanks for the solidarity on this sensitive matter. Peace.
Okay, so a strange video is circulating online with a woman from Trinidad and Tobago. I don't know, she seemed to be a politician or something. I'm not really sure. But a strange video seemed to be going around on the internet with this lady defending Beenie Man and bringing some accusation about some of the street vendors that do the doubles about something called dead water. I'm not sure what that is, but based on this video that I saw circulating online, it just seemed a bit weird. So if you are from Trinidad and Tobago and you know anything about this, please bring some light to this in the comment section. Let me know if this lady is like crazy or what is going on. So take a look at this video of what this lady is saying about dead water. Let's take a look.
Most of you at this time, you all are discrediting Beenie Man, using disparaging remarks. I would tell you that his statement is both scientifically factual and also rooted in superstitious practices. Now, I want to address the real issue because you all are talking about doubles and dogs, but I want to talk about the double dealing, dishonest, deceitful, deceptive, and disingenuous nature of most of you Trinidadians. Now, most of you coming out, I see minister coming out with doubles in their hand, eating doubles. Everybody buy a doubles vendor. But allow me to address those double vendors, because the real issue we should be addressing is why people are buying dead water. You all are purchasing the water that they use to bathe the dead. Many of them, not all of them, many of those double vendors are purchasing dead water. Why? It is rooted in some of their spiritual and superstitious practices. They believe that the water possesses mystical powers to bring good fortune. They believe that the dead water is spiritually potent. So they are using it in making their doubles, and they're using it. Some people use it to mop their business places. You all are not going to address the truth. But that's why I stand here, because I am my raw, authentic self at all times. I am not coming here for curry favor of none. I am not going to fan your feathers when I need to pluck those feathers. Those feathers need to be plucked. Stop engaging in these uncanny practices. And yes, also for scientific reason, dogs may not like doubles. Why? Dogs, like humans, they have preferences, they have tastes. Dogs typically dislike and are less likely to eat things with strong scents. For example, chili peppers, garlic and ginger, they belong to the allium family, and the compounds can be harmful to the dogs if ingested. So when we are dealing with these things, and strong perfume, strong household cleaner, dogs will avoid that because it can be overpowering, and these pungent odors, they just do not appeal to their sense of smell. So scientifically, we know that most of these doubles making, they will use a lot of onion and garlic and sometimes pepper. So there are scientific reasons why the dogs may not want to eat the doubles, and also superstitious practices. And I want you all to address it. I am the leader of All People's Party, and I will address some of these taboo and some of these unspoken issues that we have that plague our society. You all are rooted in deceit and deception. You all are comfortable to hide behind a lie. And you all are an outrage against Beenie Man as though he committed some sort of sin. The truth is the truth. Many of you doubles vendors are using dead water. Water that they use, the last water that they use to bathe the dead. Do you want me to outline it? Do you want me to highlight the many funeral homes that sell dead water? As a matter of fact, by a certain time, the dead water is sold out. And where there is a demand, there will always be supply because of some of these spiritual uncanny practices. Let us deal with the demonic issues in this nation that is plaguing us. You all want to sweep it under the carpet. But I, Kizelle Jackson, political leader of all People's Party, I say I'm coming with a new form of leadership. Listen to me. I am not trying to win you with lies and deception. I will unearth it. I thank you this morning. I thank you this morning. Dogs and doubles, let's deal with the dead water.
Okay, so that was the video, and as you can see, that seemed very strange, and I don't want to speak on something I know nothing about. So if you're from Trinidad and Tobago and you know anything about this lady, she seemed like she's a politician. If you know anything about what she's talking about, or is this some fictional thing? Is this like something going on? I don't know what it is, but as I said, I don't want to comment on it. So sound off in the comment section and let me know what you know about what she's talking about with this thing about dead water. And I must say, like, for the video that I did yesterday about Beenie Man and for a lot of the response that I see online, I think a lot of people in Trinidad, I see people in Trinidad having a bit of a fun with it. Like they're making light of the situation and turning it into like a trolling Beenie Man. And I think that is a good response because sometimes, you know, people will go off and with expletives and stuff like that. And for the most part, people just seem to be like making fun of it and trolling Beenie Man. And it's not a crazy back and forth. So that is a good thing. So guys, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Beenie Man's apology. And please let me know about this dead water thing. If there's anything like this is something that is serious or this woman is just trolling or I don't know. Please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.